Welcome everyone. Let us see the topic infertility in this video of lesson reproductive health. Infertility can be defined as inability to conceive or produce children even after unprotected sexual cohabitation is defined as infertility. So thus the couples cannot able to conceive or even they cannot able to produce children. So it may be occur in both the partners, males as well as females. So whereas in case of males, there are two important reasons. The first one is the inability of man to produce sufficient numbers of sperms. So the number of sperms will be very less, as well as the males cannot able to produce viable sperms, or the quality of the sperms is very less to impregnate a woman. In the case of females, it is inability of a woman to become pregnant or maintain a pregnancy. So in this picture it is clearly shown a healthy man shows quite a large number of sperm count, whereas in case of an infertile man it shows the number of sperm is very less in number. The other causes for infertility are tumors may occur in the pituitary gland or even in the reproductive organs, namely testes as well as ovaries. So sometimes the genes are responsible for the biosynthesis of sex hormones. Sex hormones in the sense, in case of males, androsterone and testosterone. In case of females, it is happen to be estrogen and progesterone. So the genes which are responsible for the biosynthesis of sex hormones may get mutated, or the inherited mutations of genes are responsible for biosynthesis of sex hormones. That may also lead to infertility. Malformation of cervix or fallopian tubes and inadequate nutrition before adulthood. So the cervix may be ill-formed or malformed, and fallopian tubes also get malformation, and suppose inadequate nutrition at the adulthood or before adulthood may lead to infertility. And long-term stress damages many aspects of health, especially the menstrual cycle. And sometimes the females have the habit of ingestion of certain toxics like heavy metal cadmiums, as well as they may have the habit of using alcohol, tobacco and marijuana. Injuries to the gonads and aging may also cause infertility. So causes of female infertility. So the other causes for female infertility happen to be PID, in shortly known as pelvic inflammatory disease, may also lead to infertility. Uterine fibroids and endometriosis are the most common causes of infertility in case of women. So this picture is clearly shown. This is happen to be the fallopian tube. Suppose if any blockade occurs in the fallopian tube, that leads to infertility. Sometimes the fallopian tube may get infected by certain microorganisms. Even in such cases, that may lead to infertility. Certain fibroids occur in the uterus to lead to form uterine fibroids or endometriosis. So these are the some factors for the infertility in case of females. Some females may have low body fat, a condition called as anorexia. So that is a psychiatric eating disorder characterized by the fear of gaining weight. So in this picture it is clearly shown a obese woman, as if she imagines that she gets negative body image, the body image may go change. Sometimes she becomes fatigued or even weight gain, depression, endometriosis as well as menstrual symptoms may also leads to the infertility in case of females. Infertility in case of males is due to undescended testes and swollen veins, which are condition called as varicocele in scrotum. So here the testis is not descended much. So once when the testis is undescended, that may lead to infertility, as well as the veins in the case of the scrotum gets swollen, a condition called as varicocele, which may also cause infertility. Other reasons for infertility are wearing tight clothes in case of men, so that may raise the temperature in the scrotum, and also the sperms gets affected, or the sperms usually may die by wearing the tight clothes. And underdeveloped ovaries as well as testes, and female may develop antibodies against her partner's sperm. So this is also very important. Some females, they may produce certain antibodies which are against their partner's sperms, that may lead to infertility. Or males may develop an autoimmune response to their own sperm, also may lead to infertility. Usually all women are born with ovaries, but some women do not have the functional uterus. So such a condition is called as Mayer-Rokitansky syndrome. So in this picture it is shown clearly a normal female will have on either side a pair of ovaries, a pair of fallopian tubes or oviducts, and which combines to form the uterus. So this is found in the case of a normal female's reproductive system, whereas in case of the Mayer-Rokitansky syndrome female, once when we see a pair of ovaries are found, as well as the fallopian tubes or oviducts are also present, whereas the uterus is said to be absent. So the absence of uterus condition is called as Mayer-Rokitansky syndrome. So with that, the infertility topic is getting over. Regarding the other topics, we'll see in the next videos. Thank you.